Okay, do you hear me now? Okay, so welcome in Première Vision. I'm just going to tell you a few words about the Wearable Lab before you discover it today. The Wearable Lab is a platform dedicated to new technologies in the fashion sector. It was launched by Première Vision in February 2017. The goal of the Wearable Lab is to allow exhibitors, designers, and buyers to experiment and understand the new technological innovation in the fashion industry. The theme of this third edition is the augmented human. Exploring. Oops. Is there a problem? I think the red one. The red one? Is it? Okay, yeah, sorry. So the theme of the third edition of the Wearable Lab is the augmented human, exploring how fashion can help us increase our capacities and overcome our condition. The Wearable Lab is organized around 3 zones. You'll find, first of all, an international selection of innovative materials, technologies, and clusters, the aim of which is to allow fashion labels to find partners in order to turn ideas into products. You'll find 17 exhibitors presented in this area. I have listed them for you in those slides, and after the conference you can get a leaflet of the Wearable Lab where you have the full list of exhibitors as well as conference program. We'll leave them outside. So 17 companies presented. For example, we will find the startup Wearable Lab, a French startup which combines expertise in electronics and accessories manufacturing. This startup recently developed a system for opening products using fingerprints without the need for a mobile app, local and totally secure. You will also find the company Satab, which is a French ribbon maker with a long history, that has developed conductive e-ribbons, offering obvious links between the electronic and the textile world. On the Wearable Lab is also a brand new exhibition. The name is Skills Squared. It looks at clothing as an amplifier for corporal and emotional capacity. For example, in the exhibition, you will find a virtual reality experience where we can place ourselves in the body of another. It is really an exciting experience that I invite you to test on the Wearable Lab. Finally, oops, that was the last slide. Finally, a full conference program is available during the 3 days of the Wearable Lab, exploring the territories, other territories, are sources of inspiration, such as biomimicry and high technology, high-tech markets. There will also be masterclasses for more concrete applications taking place actually today. We'll see you, I guess, later on the Wearable, and we'll be happy to see you also at 5:30 for a cocktail on the area.